Hey YouTubers! Today I would like to show you the unboxing, assembling and testing of the Sony V1 with the HD capture device as promised in my previous video about the HD capture EZ-Cap 280HB. This is my second V1 and since they are lately pretty affordable I got another one but with a broken off viewfinder as a repair challenge. Despite I don't like to use these viewfinders anyway, so it would not make any difference to me if I would have been able to fix it or not. In the box, the user manual, the clamp for the EZM-NV1 mono microphone, the Sony battery NP-F570, the remote control RMT831, some power cables and the Sony AC power adapter ACL15A, the EZM-NV1 mono microphone, a big fat battery like the NP-F970, and the broken off viewfinder. And finally the Sony V1 in a real nice condition. I checked the numbers in the menu and for the drum we have 48 × 10H. For the tape run we have 13 × 10H. And for the fiddling in 25 × 10H. Here I show you now how to assemble the laid out pieces with the Sony V1. The first thing is to attach the lens hood. This one has a lever to open and close the front. You must align the mark on the lens hood to those of the V1 and affix it with a quarter turn and then tighten it with a built-in screw. The dioptrine adjustable magnification eyepiece is attached to the viewfinder. The clamp or holder for the microphone has two loose screws and you need a small Phillips screwdriver to affix it to the appropriate place. We put the microphone into the clamp and tighten the built-in screw. The microphone comes with that typical foam windscreen to reduce nearby noises. The cable from the microphone has the professional XLR connectors. I recommend to plug it into channel 1. Now we inserting the charged battery, which brings the V1 to life. Optional with my constellation is to insert a mini DVD cassette into the cassette compartment. Here, like on all mini DV camcorders, have patience and provide the mechanism the time it requires. Optional as well, you can insert a memory stick duo, which is used to store still pictures taken by the V1 or to store camera profile settings. Now we're attaching the HD Capture standalone device, the EasyCap 280HB, to the holder and then to the accessory code tube from the Sony V1. I purchased a smaller sized power bank so it fits with a Velcro on top of the EasyCap. I found this US cable with a power connector in my cable collection. It came once with a dual fan platform to cool off potential overheating laptops. The previous 8GB HAMR memory stick was too large in dimensions, so I purchased a real compact 16GB SanDisk memory plug to keep the whole setup compact. Now attaching the HDMI cable to the HDMI in on the EasyCap and the other end to the Sony V1 HDMI out. The camera is switched on, the HD EasyCap connected with the power bank, and we are ready to push the red button on the EasyCap to start recording the clean HDMI 1440x1080i signal from the Sony V1. That's about it. As always, thanks for watching.